back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Jr. going to be the first 3 cars coming out on the speedway. Let's set a new track record here tonight at the Wythe Raceway here tonight at Rural Retreat, Virginia. Look at Bryson Fleming getting that car all wound up, got a little sideways off of turns 1 and 2 as he will take the first green flag here tonight for the American All-Star Series. Bryson Fleming, there's going to be that 7. That'll be Dalton Jacobs. He'll be making his way throughout the field. And we are going to continue on. We're good to go as it's going to be Bryson Fleming. He'll get his first lap time here tonight. Bryson Fleming will go with a 19.199 for his first lap here. That's going to be a bar-setting lap. And you will have Dalton Jacobs with an 18.177. After that, it's going to be Rodney Martin Jr. with an 18.420. Last chance here for Bryson Fleming in the number 14 machine. We'll see what he can do. Checkered flag waves. He will go to 19.002. After that, it'll go to the number 7 of Dalton Jacobs. So far, setting the bar with an 18.177. Rodney Martin Jr. new quick time with a 17.938 for Rodney Martin Jr. on that last lap. Carolina should be coming out. You'll have Hayden Cardwell out of Knoxville, Tennessee, and John Ellison, that best plumber number 21, should be coming out as well here at North City, Tennessee. As Jeremy Steele last night decided to win, look at him really get the momentum built up in the middle of turn 3 and 4. He will take the green flag as they're all going to be chasing the exact size time at a 17.580. Hayden Cardwell, the winner at Sugar Creek Speedway, as he is now making his appearance here tonight through turns 1 and 2 down to the back stretch in the number 17. First lap here for Steele. He will go with a 17.986. Good enough for 5th quick. Cardwell, 2nd quick with a 17.4. John Ellison going to be brought on the boards with a 7th quick with an 18.094. Steele's 2nd lap, any better? 3rd quick, he says, with a 17.706. Hayden Cardwell, quick time with a 17.514 for Hayden Cardwell.
We just might see the high 16 here tonight.
Well, here comes your fast time overall in hot laps. It's going to be Trevor Size in the PPM Racing Products number 73. Right there behind him be the 16 of Dawson Lowe, the current 602 track record holder here at the Wythe Raceway. And you'll have the 51 machine of Mac McCarter. Size in the 73 up on the outside. There's going to be the 16 of Dawson Lowe and Mac McCarter in the number 51 machine will be out there. Trevor Size really working the outside. Oh man, he's got a lot of speed built up. Will he get it done? Oh, he will not. 4th quick with a 17.754. Dawson Lowe with an 18.442. Here's the 51 of McCarter. He will go with an 18.26. Trevor Size, 3rd quick with a 17.620. Lowe going to be making it on the speedway. He will stay 10th quick with an 18.170. McCarter 10th quick here for BHR qualifying with an 18.124. This time as we have more cars coming out on the speedway. Remember, this is a live look in from the DirtRichTV here for the American All-Star Series here at Wythe Raceway. As it's going to be the 55 of Benji Hicks. He will get the green flag in that double nickel race cars machine. It's going to be the 7 of Keithan Smith in the Aiken Ridge Landworks number 7. And here comes the number 66 of Preston Dimsdale as he'll make his way here for more BHR qualifying. Benji Hicks going to look really good through the middle of 3 and 4. This might be a good time. Hayden Cardwell still holds it. Hicks with a 17.864. Keithan Smith with a 13th quick with an 18.617. And it'll go to Preston Dimsdale with an 18.592. Benji Hicks got a long way to go with that 17.8. Can he improve? Survey says he will go better with a 17.794 for 5th quick. Keaton Smith with an 18.573. And Preston Dimsdale with a 13th quick with an 18.360. our qualifying. Wow, Joe Level going to be on the speedway here. He'll be in that number 8 machine. Here comes the fan favorite, Brandon Umberger out there as he's going to make himself down to the backstretch in turn 3 and 4. And you'll have Bradley Llewellyn going into that number 10 machine. Alrighty, we'll see if anybody's going to beat the 17.513 set by Tyler Arrington. Joe Level going to make himself through the middle of 3 and 4. Up the chute, white flag. We'll see where Joe Level's going to be at. He will go 4th quick with an 18.204. Brandon Umberger's going to go 5th quick with an 18.407. And Bradley Llewellyn going to be with an 18.351. Joe Level going to be trying it one more time. We'll see what he can do with an 18.204. Brandon Umberger's going to be 6th quick with an 18.407, and Bradley Llewellyn will go 4th quick with an 18.007. Should be having Matthew Porter in the 19P coming out next for qualifying the 14 of John Obey. After that, you'll have the 71 of David Smith going to be coming out next. So, 1,000th of a second between Tyler Arrington and Hayden Cardwell, and Tyler Arrington is your brand new current Wythe Raceway track record holder in a 604 late model. How about the Porter Services Western Excavating number 19? That's my own personal sponsor of Matthew Porter. He helps me get here to the races for the American All-Star Series. Right there behind will be the number 14, John Owenbay out of Cleveland, Tennessee. And that'll be the number 71 machine of David Smith. He'll be coming out on the speedway here for the American All-Star Series. First lap here for Matthew Porter. He's right out of this town of Whitville. And we'll see Porter's going to go 7 quick with an 18.855. John Owenbay going to be there with an 18.011. Good enough for 5th quick. Second quick goes a 71 of David Smith with a 17.797. Matthew Porter does a little bit better with an 18.795. John Owenbay going to be at an 18.011. And the 71 of David Smith stays second quick with a 17.797. Spencer Apple out of Reidsville, North Carolina, and at number 10. He will also be coming out here. We'll have one more session of Justin Williams and Dylan Brown. Going to be our final session here for double nickel qualifying here tonight. So Chris Chandler's been coming along with the series here. Has not even got a win yet this season. And good to see Chandler continue to keep trying and trying and trying. Philip Ramirez in the 37Z here tonight. A new car for him. As you will have the number 10 of Spencer Apple, as Apple make his way through the middle of turn 3 and 4. I'll tell you what, the 8 of Chris Chandler is going to go 7 quick overall with an 18.010. Ramirez with an 18.679 in the 37D. Spencer Apple with an 18.802 as Ramirez has found some speed in that car. As we continue on, as Chris Chandler's going to get the checkered flag. Will he do any better? He will. 6 quick with a 17.982. Ramirez going to go 12 quick overall with an 18.679. After that, to be Spencer Apple. He'll go 12 quick with an 18.430.